Welcome to this lecture on why learning computer science is essential in today's world. Computer science is a field that has a significant impact on various aspects of our lives. In this presentation, we will explore the reasons why learning computer science is beneficial and how it can open up numerous opportunities for you. Benefits of studying computer science. Studying computer science offers a range of benefits that can greatly enhance your skills and abilities. Here are some key advantages. Develops problem-solving skills. Computer science teaches you to approach complex problems analytically and find efficient solutions. Enhances critical thinking abilities. It sharpens your ability to think critically, evaluate information, and make informed decisions. Fosters creativity and innovation. Computer science encourages creative thinking and provides a platform for innovation in technology and software development. Provides computational thinking skills. It helps you develop computational thinking skills, which are valuable for solving problems using logical and algorithmic approaches. Offers versatile career opportunities. A computer science background opens up a wide range of career paths in various industries, including software development, data science, cybersecurity, and more. Career opportunities in computer science. The field of computer science offers numerous exciting career opportunities. Here are some popular career paths within computer science. Software development and engineering. Building and designing software applications and systems. Data science and analytics. Analyzing and interpreting large sets of data to extract meaningful insights. Cybersecurity. Protecting computer systems and networks from cyber threats. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Developing intelligent systems that can learn and make decisions. Web development and design. Creating and maintaining websites and web applications. Database administration and management. Managing and organizing large databases efficiently. Network administration and cloud computing. Managing network infrastructure and cloud-based systems. Game development and animation. Designing and developing interactive games and animations. Information technology project management. Leading and managing technology projects. Research and academia. Conducting research and teaching computer science in academic settings. Social and economic impact of computing. Computing has a profound social and economic impact on our society. Here are some ways in which it influences various aspects of our lives. Automation and efficiency in industries. Computing technologies automate processes, leading to increased productivity and efficiency in industries. Advancements in healthcare and medicine. Computer science plays a crucial role in medical research, diagnostic tools, patient record management, and the development of innovative medical technologies. Improved communication and connectivity. Computing enables instant communication, global connectivity, and collaboration through technologies such as the internet and social media. Empowering education and learning. Computer-based learning resources and online platforms provide access to educational materials and enhance the learning experience. Driving economic growth and innovation. The development and application of computer science contribute to economic growth and drive innovation in various sectors. Enhancing entertainment and media. Computing technologies revolutionize the entertainment industry through multimedia production, virtual reality, and interactive gaming experiences. Revolutionizing transportation and logistics. Computer systems power transportation networks, traffic management, logistics optimization, and autonomous vehicles. Influencing decision-making and governance. Computing supports data analysis, modeling, and simulations that aid decision-making processes in businesses and governments. Addressing societal challenges. Computer science can be applied to tackle societal issues such as climate change, poverty, healthcare accessibility, and disaster management. Shaping the future of technology. Computer science plays a key role in shaping the future of technology through advancements in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and emerging technologies. In conclusion, we have explored the importance of learning computer science and the various benefits it offers. From developing problem-solving skills to opening up versatile career opportunities, studying computer science equips you with valuable knowledge and skills for the digital age. Additionally, we have seen how computing has a significant social and economic impact, transforming industries, improving communication, driving innovation, and addressing societal challenges. I want to express my sincere gratitude to all the viewers for watching this lecture. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel for more educational videos. Thank you for your support, and remember to stay curious and embrace the world of computer science.